What's good, YouTube? It's your boy TV, and I'm back with another one, you dig? And today we got a very special video. Y'all can see it. Y'all read that. We have the Racks Wavy World brushes. I've not been able to see these in person yet. Right now, I'm doing a heavy woof. So right now, I'm not going to show y'all my hair or the brushing with my hair, but I do have a challenge for after this video that I'm going to do. With the brush, you can see me brush my hair, but that's going to be a separate video. Let's get into the unboxing. So, I don't have a knife. I'm going to just... So here we have the brushes. Good look at that. Good look at that. It says Wavy World, Wavy World, Wavy World, Wavy World. Boy, if you don't brushes, I don't know which one I should open. Cause I'm gonna do one. I'm doing. I don't know if I should tell y'all. Should I tell y'all? That's what the video I'm doing. I'm doing a challenge with one of these. So which one should I use the challenge with, and which one should I give away? Because this one I'm gonna do. I'm gonna use this one. I'm gonna open this one. I want to feel the brushes. You feel me? It's a nice little. I like this. I like this a lot. See that? I mean, honestly, first impressions, it's a good brush. It has rose, you know. I always feel like palm brushes are beginner brushes for some reason. They always just give off the beginner vibe, because I feel like a lot of beginners use palm brushes, especially curved palm brushes. And this has a nice curve to cup your hair. Like, this is a perfect cut. Honestly, look at that. That's like perfect. All you do is brush down. Or if you got the sides, brush sides. You feel me? You did. Yeah, you got rolls in the brush. This is what I feel like. It's the medium brush. So this is medium. It's like a medium soft, but it's still a medium. But yeah, this would be a good brush for anybody, you know, use if you just starting, or if you just want a brush. This is a dope brush. Get this brush. I actually did something for y'all, and I got y'all a code. It's a promo code down below. Check the description. In the description, you'll see that I have a promo code that can get y'all money off, so that y'all don't have to spend as much money as anybody would for this brush. You can get a discount for this brush. A lot of people are not going to have this brush, so that's a good thing. So you're getting a discount, and a lot of people are not going to have it. That's two benefits to getting this brush. So why wouldn't you get this brush? Like, common sense, like, I would get this brush too. It's a good brush, reasonable price. They also have do-rags, all that. You can use a promo code for anything on there. You feel me? Let's get back. I don't know if I should open this one, because I feel like I'm gonna do a giveaway for this one, y'all. If this video gets 55 likes, nah, I'm not gonna do 55. If this video gets 15 likes, I'm gonna do a giveaway. Woo! I'm gonna give away this if this video gets 15 likes. Or I'm gonna do the giveaway on Instagram, but I already said it on here, so it's 15 likes. It's 15 likes. So if you want to enter, I'm gonna make another video for that. But y'all, yeah, this is a dope brush. I like this brush, you know. It's a dope brush. You see that? Read that. Go. That's what I am. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like this, make sure you drop the thumbs up down below. Smash that like button. Turn on post notifications to get notified every time I drop another bang. Boy, TV out of here. What did I just say? It was your boy TV, and I'm out of here. You dig? That. Go. That's what I am.